Dylan Lawrence, the man in charge this afternoon. As we get underway, it'll be Finay Fayanofo kicking downfield. And Wynnum, well, they're not going to waste any time in spreading the ball and centering up the middle of the field.
He's been great so far.
Kowski, dummy half. Black, who's been very, very active, finds it straight through the middle. Wynnum Manly draw first blood. Some slick play from Cody Black, who links up with Saxon Innes. Here's the last here for the Dolphins. Crucial kick. It goes to Finay Anganofo. Crossfield kick contested by Wynnum Manly. And it was off the Wynnum Manly Seagulls to the call. The Dolphins into some open space. Just short of the line. In fact, no, it's not. The ball has found the chalk. Carver will score. They're going to go for some expansive play here. Throwing a torpy up. It's a speeding race here. Innes leading the charge. Looks to pick up.
Get up now!
They'll play quickly here. At the back now for Black. Running the ball back on the inside. Black finds his way over. The supporters love it. Point of contact. Last one here for Dolphins. Out the back. Finay Anganofo gets the ball down with his brute strength. Expansive running game. Finay Anganofo goes for his second try, finds the line, and a quick fire double.
Hold. Go, 4.
2 plays left here, the Dolphins, as they get a lovely ball out, catch and pass from Finay Anganofo. Shot for numbers here. They can pass through. The big fella in Bernard Smith gets the ball over.
Bernard Smith's also got more involved, so the Dolphins made a few key changes.
They go straight through the middle here. Toya into some open space. Innes makes the tackle. Last play here, the Dolphins playing off the back of it. Fires a pass through the hands is Lane. See you too.
And then you need to just run hard up the middle of the guts and try and beat them man to man, which again is another difficult task.
Oh, the ball comes free.
Backwards Wynnum, it's all momentum.
And Jaden Butt scores another try for the Dolphins.
Has actually moved into the hooking position.
Grounding.
On the line, that's the call. And they finally break this second half deadlock. Firing away now for Tuoli, who's on the field and scores! Amos Tuoli scoring 2 tries last week. He has yet to find the line this contest. Numbers around the ball here, some footwork. Gets the ball down. Try time.
It'll be very crucial if they are to go through. Oh, look at this player go. Finay Anganofo gets a 3rd try.
Ahadi.
Jeez, he's good. Jeez, he's good.
Wynnum with the last play, you would think. With a second to go. And the Dolphins will be victorious here at North Ipswich Reserve. An outstanding performance, particularly from their 5'8", Josh Finay Anganofo, getting the job done, 56 points to 18.